Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto salad dressing. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a good quality extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. Fresh ingredients are key for the most vibrant flavor. Now, let's start blending our delicious pesto base. Place the fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese into your food processor. Pulse the ingredients several times until they form a coarse, crumbly paste. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This step helps to emulsify the mixture and begin forming that classic pesto texture. To achieve the perfect dressing consistency, transfer your pesto base to a mixing bowl. Gradually whisk in an additional 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. If you prefer a thinner dressing, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, a little at a time, until it reaches your desired pourable texture. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed. Your homemade pesto salad dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's absolutely fantastic drizzled over fresh green salads, adding a burst of vibrant flavor. You can also use it to elevate pasta salads, roasted vegetables, or even as a spread on sandwiches. Store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.